What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. Time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do a recipe that I've already done, but this is for your busy people. This is a little bit easier, a little bit not so homemade, so to speak. But we're going to do a chicken and wild rice soup. And it's going to be creamy. So this is going to be a real quick, fast, easy, one-pot meal. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some chicken and wild rice soup. Supporting cast is as follows. Of course, we gotta have our chicken. I got 3 chicken breasts here. Excuse me. And no, I don't have the Corona. But I got 3 chicken breasts here. Got my mirepoix, my onions, celery, and my carrots. And I got 1 stick of butter. I got a little bit of thyme, rosemary, oregano, salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan sea salt. And then the creamy aspect, I'm using cream of chicken soup and cream of mushroom soup. I may add 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. It just depends on the amount of ingredients. And we got chicken broth here. Now, this is where I'm making a little bit of a shortcut. I'm using Uncle Ben's wild rice. And you cook this just like it says on the package. I've already done this. So this doesn't go in the pot. You cook this separately. So, and this is the part that I really like about it. So, it takes a little bit of time. It's a little bit less guessing work. Perfect every time. But that's all the ingredients, guys. Let's get started putting this together. Guys, so we're over here at the pressure cooker. Like I said, this is a one-pot easy meal. I've already started my brown rice. I've gotten that, or my wild rice. I've already gotten that taken care of. So all you need to do is follow the instructions on that packet, and it comes out perfect every time. But in the pressure cooker, we're going to put our 1 stick of butter, and I've got my pressure cooker on sear mode. So we're going to let that get softened up a little bit here. It's going to take just a few minutes to get that soft. Let me break it apart a little bit. There we go. So on sear mode, if your pressure cooker is different than this one, sear mode just means that you're gonna not put pressure behind it. So all you're gonna do is turn it on and let the pot get hot. And that way you can sear off steaks or whatever you want to put in here, and you can also do some vegetables, which is what we're gonna do today. So as you can see, the butter's getting melted. I'm going to go ahead and add my mirepoix, my onion, my celery, and my carrots. Now I don't like for my soups, I don't like depending on the soup, but I don't like my vegetables cut up really super small. I want to have some still texture there. So I got those in here. We're going to start searing this up. And right off the bat, we're going to add a little pinch of salt and pepper just to taste, okay? Just season up the vegetables a little bit. A little pinch of pepper. And a little pinch of salt. And by the way, that butter that I put in there is non-salted. I typically use the non-salted unless I'm baking. Alright, so we're going to let those sweat down just a little bit. I'll be back. Those are seared off a little bit. And we're going to put our chicken right in on top of it. Like I said, I got 3 chicken breasts here. You can use thighs, you can use chicken breast, whatever you like. There's my 3 chicken breasts in there. We're going to hit this with a little bit of seasoning. There's one seasoning I didn't tell you guys about, and that's the bay leaf. So we're going to add some bay leaves. A little bit more salt. Top of the chicken, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to put in 4 cups of chicken broth to begin with. Alrighty, there's my 4 cups of chicken broth to begin with, and I'm going to add a little bit of oregano to this right now. and a little bit of rosemary. There we go. Alrighty. So from here, we're just going to place the lid on it, and we're going to cook the chicken for 7 minutes in the pressure cooker. That's all it's going to take to get that chicken done. So let me go ahead and place the lid on. Alright, so we're going to set this for the default, which is 15 minutes. And I'll be back in 7 minutes to take it off to release the pressure. My pressure cooker default is 15, so I have to go with the 15, and then I'll be back in 7 minutes. But that's all there is to it. You see it going around and around. We'll be back in 7 minutes, and I'll take the chicken out, shred it up, add our rice and our creaminess to it. That's all there is to it. It's been 7 minutes, and this is what the chicken looks like and the vegetables there. So I'm going to take the chicken out and place on this plate here. It's already falling apart. Where's the other one at? There we go. Place that here on my plate, and I'm going to shred that up. And before I shred that up, I'm going to go ahead and add my creamy elements here. First of all, I'm going to add another 4 cups of chicken stock. These are 32-ounce containers, so this is another 4 cups. And we're going to add in our cream of chicken soup. And we're going to add our cream of mushroom, and I think I am going to add another can of cream of chicken soup as well. So 2 cans of cream of chicken and 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You can also put mushrooms in this. I did that on another time I made it, so it makes it really nice. I just didn't have mushrooms today. Alright, we're going to add our 2 bay leaves in here. And these are small, so I'm putting 3 in. Add a little bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. We're going to put in some thyme. And a dash more oregano. Alright, we're going to mix that up. I'm going to add my 3rd can of cream of chicken soup in here, and my rice. Bear with me 1 second, I'll be right back. Add my chicken back in. You can see I got it all shredded up here. Add that right back into the mixture. Mix it up a little bit. And as you can see, I got my wild rice here. I'm going to add that in there. Forgive me for being in the way of the camera, sorry. We're going to stir that up in there real good. Oh yes. Oh, that smells good. Alright, so I'm going to turn this on for just a minute on sear mode. And I'm going to bring it up to a boil. Just till I see it start bubbling. Then I'll put the lid on in soup mode for a couple minutes, and we should be good to go. The sear mode is on, and I'm going to turn it off now. I'm going to put the lid on, lock it down as normal, and we're going to use the soup stew button here. And that gives it 10 minutes default, but I'm only going to leave it on for like 2 minutes. So we're going to use the soup stew button. It defaults for 10 minutes, but I'm only going to leave it on for like 2, maybe 3 minutes at the most. And then we'll be ready to plate it up. I'll show you a finished product. Creamy chicken and wild rice soup. I can't wait to I can't wait to taste this. This looks so good. It smells so good. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna get that bite. Here you go. Chicken and wild rice soup in a power pressure cooker. Can't get much easier than this, guys, and it's so good. Let me get that bite. Oh my God, look at this. We gotta blow it, guys. It's hot. I'm gonna get some chicken. I ain't getting no chicken that time. It's hot though. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.